Yeah,
Do what you gotta do.
let me see if it's running. Um, I think we're live, maybe.
It's lit. Okay, cool. Here we go.
Okay, yeah, we're good.
Okay.
Um, Let me just lower it down a bit. But let me show you what I mean by that.
Okay. And explain yourself again if you started streaming.
Yeah. So this week we have like this event on Sunday, and a big part of it is to kind of highlight kind of like creative art in technology and how you can kind of it's gonna actually show a lot of people's experience, like the experiences they built. So it's really gonna highlight that that part. And what what I've been playing around with is let me just see if I can have it here. Is this thing I built right here? It's really I love it because it's like so it kind of it's a motion capture experience, right? So you kind of have the person you kind of have a web. That's why I got a new webcam. So it's like I wanted to order a new webcam. Oh, wait, Coquise, your thing is starting to your. Let me see if I can
Do I need to mute myself?
Oh yeah, I mean if you, I mean I could hear the kind of thing. Yeah. So but I mean you can still listen to me, right? Just, yeah. Okay. So like this is kind of like a motion capture experience where it's like the webcam it's like Connect and the Switch. Like the you remember that? Yeah. So like if I do play I don't know if you can hear it. Can you hear it? Let's see if we can hear it. I don't know if you can hear it. Okay, let's give it a second. It's gonna start soon. Do you see it though? Like that's me right there, and I'm like it's
I
tracking.
can see it. I can't hear anything.
Oh, it's gonna start when I lift my hands up. It's gonna start. Here.
Is it like faint music?
You hear it? Do you hear the music?
It's
Yeah.
very faint. Like
Uh,
very, very faint.
yeah.
Yeah.
But pretty much is like I kind of like I kind of this was me like playing around with some stuff,
Yeah.
and it's kind of like I want to be able to create like that's cool to me. Like see if we can have like a dancer or something like do like a dance with this thing. So I reached out to a friend of mine. We met a while back, and she does dance like that's her thing, and I'm gonna see if I can get her to kind of do a recording with this. So it's like I could change it any way. Like I just put these lights, I put these particles that are coming out and stuff. But it could be anything. Like it could be different colors. Like it could be it could be more like as let's say you do this and then something else happens or like it's a very it's like to engage with the user. Yeah.
Okay, so that's really cool. So this could be like anything.
Yeah, as long as you have a webcam and as long as you have a webcam, like you can just kind of record yourself and like do something like that. I mean, it's still in its infancy. I'm not too sure what to kind of really use it for. I was actually talking to another friend about like, oh, what can this actually be used for? Um, but it's cool. It's kind of like I wanted to kind of create like a Just Dance kind of thing, in a way. But like you have to do certain moves, and then it kind of does it for like you have to. It'll say, oh, you got it correct or something. But that's probably
Yeah,
down.
I think that's cool.
Yeah.
I think that's what it could be used for, even with somebody like trying to learn new stretches and stuff, and just like it letting you know if you're doing it right or not. I think it's cool.
Yeah, yeah. So we'll see that more down the line how that comes out. But I was really happy to get that going. Um, I think yeah, and then that's kind of like one of the reasons for today is to kind of have see if we can build some website where I can kind of I've already took images. I already took some images. I already took some um some snapshots, and I've done some like bios where it's like, oh, this is what I want my website to look like and stuff. So I'm sure we could do this really quickly, and we'll see like what comes up with it. But yeah, yeah. So I guess what about you? Say hello to that zero viewer I have.
Hi everybody. Hi chat.
Yeah, this is Kukui. She's joining us remotely. yeah. So I just to kind of like, I've gotten some inspiration from a couple of people's portfolios that I have here. Let me see. Where is it? And like so I'm going for something so what I'm gonna go for is something for like I'm gonna have something. Let me put up a Google Doc real quick. Okay. I think my Wi-Fi is on. Okay. Let's see. So here's like, here I'm gonna do like, I'm gonna want an about me. This is gonna tell people like who I am. Ideally, it's gonna be like I want to highlight creative technologist, maybe educator for more so my like day job, and just something quick, maybe like avid reader, kind of like a quick thing. But I also want to do like services too, and one of those services is like maybe something like interactive. Or actually let's do this like VR games or interactive experiences like the one we just saw, where it's just like kind of like motion capture in a way. So that's why I want to have my like services, and then maybe I have a contact, and then that's just like a simple like Gmail, something like that, and I just want one. I just want one page. I don't really need 2 page. I want 1 page with a nav bar. I want one. Let me see. I want 1 page that is responsive. It has a modern 2025 style. It has animations. Animations. Let me see. One of the people that I've kind of liked is. Let me get some people that I like. So let's see. I'm gonna have an about me, creative technologist, educator, avid reader, VR games, interactive experiences, / simulations. Let's do that. Let me see. I want 1 page that is responsive. And that's mobile and desktop. It has a modern 2025 steel with the following you suggest the color and font. It has animations. What's it called? So let's see if we can have this guy. And Okay, so just an FYI, what I'm doing, I'm doing is like I'm asking it I'm just filling in the details and asking it to create something for me. So like here's like I want them to be a web developer, create a single page, just here very simple. I wanted to have like a modern 2025 feel, so make sure it's like it's not like it's pretty responsive in a way. So same thing with the coloring, and the font and stuff, and these, let's see, two distinct. So maybe about this is good. I want that. That's good. Clear with Gmail to call to action. Yes. Ensure the ability is bona first. Yes. So let's do that first. Let me see if I can pull up some of the images that I want to include too. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to include the. Also, Coquise, here's like also like a little project I did for the museum. Oh, it's not working. I don't know why. It's a video, but so here's like a video. Oh, whenever I bring it to this screen, it just doesn't work. But it's like a baseball simulation. Like you use your hand as like a bat, and you're able to kind of hit it like that. So let me see. Let me see if I can bring up this. So while that's going on, while it's building the website for me, all I'm doing is just taking all the assets, like the images, the videos, and even the colors that I want to search. I forgot to include the colors, but I'm just taking all the assets, like the images and the videos that I'm going to need, and then I'm just going to tell it to put it in there in the website, and it should do it for me. But let me see if I can find it first.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah, go ahead.
So, why did you choose Claude instead of Gemini? And are you going to post this on the internet?
Well, this is already live streamed, so you can actually see it right now. But yeah.
Yeah, but are you going to post it on other places?
Not really. No. I mean, I don't. I usually just keep it on YouTube, and I just keep it public.
Oh,
yeah. Yeah, I keep it public, and I've been doing live streams for some time now, and I don't really like advertise it, but it's like a way for me to kind of see. I like doing the live streams because when I first did the live streams back in 2024, it was actually the first time I actually kickstarted my journey into like building stuff, and you can kind of see it from then and there.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
I'm into it.
But to your original question about using Gemini and the Claude, I'm actually using both. So look, so here's what I told it. Here's what I told it. Is I always said, I was like, I told Gemini I would like you to improve my prompt so I could drop it into Claude, and I gave it a little bit of a thing, and all I did was.
But I don't understand why you still chose Claude over Gemini though. Like why?
I chose both.
No.
Oh
You
yeah.
just use Gemini
Mm-hmm.
to upgrade your prompt, but you're using prompt to build your website. Why?
Oh yeah. So even though I don't pay for Claude, I find it generates it way much. It's just way I like it. It's so I've been liking it recently, mainly because it just does everything for you. You just give it a prompt, and it does it for you. And Gemini, it does it for you, but for me, from my experience, you have to go through some steps, right?
Yeah.
So this is kind of the website that it came up with, and I like. So this is what we call a marquee scrolling, which is like an infinite scrolling that we have here, right? You see that? It's just kind of like an animation. That's what we call marquee.
Yeah.
But I also like the stats that it says, hey, 12 years of experience, 40 project ship. That's pretty cool to me. The coloring, I don't like. The color palette, I don't like. I have my own color palette that I'm going to use, and maybe even my own fonts. But I like this. Creative technologist and educator. When people hear my name, Anthony, I want it to be able to kind of immediately know who I am. I build worlds at the intersection of immersion technology and human learning from VRs that train certain. Well, that's gonna be changed a bit, but yeah, I'm liking this so far. Available for. I might remove that. I like this. I didn't even ask it for the marquee thing, and it added it, which is nice. What I build, VR games and simulations. That's good to me. I like the animation. That's as I'm scrolling down, the animation is going there, which is nice. Motion captured, so I can actually link my projects here. The person behind the work I started out as a theater director. Well, that's not true. It's just filling in. I haven't told it my own personal information, so it doesn't know it yet. But I'm gonna do that afterwards. What I'm reading. Oh, because I said I'm an avid book reader, so I'm gonna have a link that tells me what books I'm currently reading, just so I can kind of make it a bit personal.
Education. That's cool, and people can follow along. Yeah.
Yeah. Education, recognition. I'll probably put something like awards and accomplishments and clients. Process can stay. I like that's cool. Like this is cool. I just don't like the fonts and the coloring to me. But currently reading. This is cool because I'm very proud of my bookshelf. So I can actually put down the books and look. It says 60% through, 40% through. So I can make a collection of books that I've read.
Yeah.
Really, technology is at its best. I can maybe put a quote or something, even though I'm not that wise, but that'd be pretty cool. And then we have like a footer over here with this different like navy blue kind of thing. This footer just gives me like, hey, where you can find me. This is my LinkedIn, my GitHub, my Substack, and Instagram. So it gives you like you can kind of reference or link various different social media platforms. And then that's it. That's one page, and that's all I really want. I don't really want too much stuff going on in my webpage. Especially considering that it's gonna be the first one. There's maybe future iterations in the beginning, but let's find out how we can. So this is it. This is nice.
Okay, I think it looks nice. So
I don't like the coloring though. You like the coloring? What's your input on the coloring? I have my own coloring.
Oh, okay.
I have my own coloring and fonts. You like the coloring? Okay. It looks good. Yeah, it looks good. I gotta change it though. I don't like the coloring. Me personally. Yeah, what do you think?
It's safe and professional.
Yeah, I guess.
I think, but it's not bad. It's just safe and professional. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll tell you what. I'll make the I think me kind of correcting the details of like making it personal to me. I think I'm gonna do that offline, mainly because that doesn't have to be.
No.
That doesn't have to be like what's it called?
It doesn't. It doesn't need to be live streamed. It doesn't.
No. I mean I don't mind, but what it is, I mean, it's just gonna take more time. Like, my focus right now is just to come up with have this template that I generated. My focus is just to publish it to the web, and then I could do the neats and grits of it all, like the color palette and all. I could do it offline because that might be more like that's more time consuming. So I'm just gonna publish this guy, and one of the ways that I like to do it is I just go. I'll first download it, and it'll come in like this thing. It can come in HTML. It can even go into some other files. But this is good that it gives HTML. It already tells us like, oh, this is how it looks in the web. Like, so that's cool. And here's the nav bar at the top. I like how it follows it. So we can see it more like this. Let me inspect and see how it looks in the iPhone 12. It looks good. It's very responsive. So like. You want your webpage, no matter if you're using a tablet. Let me see how it looks in the tablet. What's the tablet called? Kukuis, you know what a tablet called?
Yeah, iPad.
A
mini.
Mini?
Yeah, iPad. Mini, Air, a Pro. Yeah.
So this is how it looks in the tablet.
Yeah.
Which is good. I could see there's some. I hope there's some bugs here when it's in a tablet form. So I'll have to fix that, but. It looks good so far. Like it still has some of the stuff where you could kind of like scroll down and stuff, which is nice. Let's see if it has the animate. Let me refresh to see if it has the animation. It does have the animation. Nice. So I mean that's cool. Like it already has everything for us. So I just copied it, right? I mean.
Okay.
I just downloaded it and it's right here. It says portfolio.html. And what I'm about to do is, I mean I could do it myself, but I'll ask Clyde guide me through the process of publishing to the web, and I'll do something like let's let's ensure it lives on GitHub and published to Netlify. Oh, and deployed to Netlify. Something like that. And deployed to Netlify. And what this is, it says, hey, let's ensure it lives. That just means let's ensure the code lives on GitHub, which is like this. It's like a Google Drive. It's like a repository that has all your files, and it just lives there. It's like a Google Drive, but for coding in a way. And then Netlify is like a host It's like a host, which pretty much it's holding your website. So I'll show you that too. But yeah. So let's do that first. Let's press enter, and then it should tell me the steps to do it. Okay. That's a lot. That's too much for me right now. So, okay, you got this so far?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, so let's so I'm gonna do it my way because I do it this is that it gave me too much information. I don't really need all of that.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, I can do it.
Yeah.
So let me do index. Oh, okay. So let me. I'll show you guys still how I do it, so you guys can follow. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. So here I created, here is my file explorer. Literally just has my files, and it's called, I remember earlier I downloaded it. All I'm gonna do is just change it to something called index. And what I'll do is I'll also go to, I'm gonna do something weird here, so I'm gonna do something called git init and range. Oh, no, that's not it. And what I'm doing right now is just like, this is not. I don't want to confuse you guys, but it's just like I'm just creating a Git repository through the terminal. But at first I did this.
Anthony, you kind of rambling. You're not like saying what you're doing.
Yeah. What I'm doing is so Claude told me to create a GitHub, and a GitHub is like a Google Drive. Okay. And I could upload file. Actually, I can do it that way. Yeah. Let me just do it. Let me do it that way. Okay. So let me go back to what I'm getting. I'm confusing myself.
It's okay if you have to talk through it, but I'm just saying for the live stream.
Yeah. No. I hear you because I'm also like I'm also confusing myself. But look, so this I created a repository on GitHub, and it's literally, it tells us to do all of this, but I realized I don't have to do all of that. I could just do something like upload an existing file, and I could just choose my files, just like Google Drive. If you're telling it, hey, I want to upload some files on your Google Drive, or even your Apple Cloud, you can do it too like that. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just gonna making sure the file lives on GitHub, and that way if something happens to my computer, like let's say my computer breaks down, that code will always be there. So it makes it really useful. And I just saved this is my first commit, and commit changes. So it's uploading, and there it goes. This is my my web page. It's here, but now I need to connect. This. I need Netlify, which is the host, to kind of read this guy, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. So I'm gonna go to Netlify, and you can sign up for it. You can do whatever you want.
Is Netlify how you get, like, that's your domain?
Yeah, yes. No, it allows you to it gives you it's a host, so it allows you to upload your website, and it'll give you like this random domain Now, in order for you to rename that domain, you have to pay for it. So you can either get the free version, which is like it gives you that random domain, or you can pay. You can pay like $10 and get that.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's it's a good one. So here all I did was I went to Netlify, signed in, I said add new project, and again my project lives on GitHub, so I'm just gonna do GitHub, do all of this stuff. I'm gonna put it on another one that's just gonna ask me for my authentication and stuff, so I'll do that here. And it's doing it. Let's see if we can have let's see what my thing was called, portfolio. What's my thing called? So it's just sending me an authentication on my phone, so it can tell me that I need to sign into it. That I'm signing into it.
Okay.
Okay, I'm almost here. So I have it here now. So I gave it access to my GitHub, and since my GitHub is named Portfolio, this looks all right to me. I just deploy Portfolio, and here it is. Like you can, I mean, it gives me a random domain. Let's see how it looks. Oh, it's loading right now. It's loading. Oh, there you go. Wait, it's not loading. It looks like we followed. Maybe it's still building. Let me see. Okay, there you go. It was loading. Let me show you. So why it looks like you entered a broken thing? Let me refresh again. Okay, so this is it. That's my webpage now lives. Like you can, if I give you this link, it's a random link, but you can access it. I'm gonna give it to you right now.
Okay.
Actually, Netlify allows you to give you one it allows you to change
Yeah,
it.
I just don't like. I like it, but the Super Cobbler 70. That's a crazy name.
Yeah, but you see
But
this
it
part.
works.
You see this. It says add domain. You can purchase the domain.
Okay. Click on it. Let me see.
I think it's gonna show some. Let me see. It just says buy a new domain,
buy a new
or
domain.
add a domain you already own. So if you already have the domain that you own, you could just put in. It's once you say add a domain you already own, it's gonna give you credentials to put in, and that's pretty Actually, let me. I can change the name one time in Netlify. Let me do that right now.
Okay.
Let me call it Anthony Portfolio. So this is my new URL. That one's not gonna work. Oh, somebody already has it. Oh, okay, let's do a.
You want me to click on it?
Not yet.
Make a borrow your charger for your work laptop. Yeah.
All right. All right. Here's the new one. It's a bit different, but it still has the it's not my own domain.
Sure.
But you got it now? Did you get the new one?
A Ovando. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. It's still. I'm gonna change it to make it my own, but this is
Yeah, you're gonna pay the $10. Yeah. Okay,
yeah.
Cool.
But there's still so much to work with. Like to me, it would be the color. To me, sometimes like it's also the font is a bit too small and stuff. Like I'll make it a bit better to me.
But those are just like little like cosmetics. For the most part, it works. It made you a laptop. I mean, it made you a website with a usable link. Like that's cool.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
That's the main thing. Yeah.
And I really like it too because it's like I like the animation part. Like that was really nice. Like it just made it really quickly.
Cool.
And all I had to do, like again, all I gave it was I literally gave it. All I did was write 3 prompts. I gave it the one that Gemini gave me, and then it gave me everything. And I told it to guide me through the process of publishing it to the web, and I did that, and that was the second prompt. And in 2 prompts, I was able to put it to the web.
You did a good job.
Yeah, and actually, it actually came out really nice. I was not expecting it to come out this nice.
Yeah, me neither.
So.
I think it came out really nice. I'm proud of you.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can change the color palettes later. But yeah, that was it. But any questions? Oh, somebody said hi in the chat.
Oh, tell them we said hi.
Let me check who that is now. Got some trolls. Let me see. Yeah, that's all. That's all, though.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, we're good. I'll add the images and the colors later, but that should be it.
Okay, well, when you do it, send me a link. I think it's cool though, honestly.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut the live right now.